Haven't had a lot of chance to do filming inside the Bedford crew bus. This was originally an RAF crew bus used for transporting the V-bomber crews out to their aircraft. Had a second life with Woodseats Venture Scouts unit in Sheffield, taking them all over Europe. And then many of you will know this is the bus that we got through auction with Bangers and Cash and has featured several times on the programme. Been extensively worked on since we got it. Runs nicely now. Up in the cockpit you can see a very optimistic 70 miles an hour top speed on the speedo there. No mod cons here, but we do have a solar panel in the windscreen for keeping the battery charge topped up. And just to swing you around and show you, get an idea of the work that's gone into it. The seats have been completely refurbished, new floor, obviously stripped down, repainted, and we've still got the nod to the heritage in the back here with the Woodseats Venture Scouts unit emblem on the windscreen. And the next event is to take you for a ride as we go to take Spiny Norman to his winter storage in the airport hangar.
Yeah. Doesn't take much. Bearing in mind the struts were doing one brilliant, isn't it? This stuff is. Made the borehole. Yeah. We'll leave another 5 tons as well.
I'll tell you what, I've got a fresh respect for the Scouts driving all over Europe in this thing.